G'day everyone, it's Cameron from PSA Products here, and today we're going to go through what to do when your smoke alarm false alarms. Step 1, check for a fire. Now, the first thing you should do when you have a false alarm, and I hope that you've already done this before watching this video, is go through and check every single room in the house and make sure that there isn't a fire. Since you're still watching this video, we can assume that you've already done this, so let's move on. Step 2, identify the triggering alarm. In most modern households, you will likely have multiple smoke alarms, and they should all be interconnected with each other. This means that when one triggers, all of them will trigger. This can be quite problematic when all of them go off, because it can be hard to identify which one is actually the one that's triggering the alarm. Most smoke alarm manufacturers will have a way that will allow you to identify which alarm is the triggering alarm. When it comes to PSA smoke alarms, the triggering alarm will have a red flashing LED on it, where all the other alarms in the interconnection will not have a flashing light. So what you need to do is go around to every single room in the house and look for the smoke alarm that has the flashing light. Once you have found the triggering alarm, press the hush button of the alarm. In most cases, this will silence the alarm for up to 10 minutes, and then also subsequently silence all the other alarms on the network. Step 3, clean the alarm. Now that we've identified which alarm is triggering the false alarm, we now need to rectify it. When a smoke alarm sounds, it is because something is getting inside of the alarm and affecting the sensor. Smoke alarms are designed to be triggered by ash particles flowing through the air. However, if there are no obvious signs of smoke in the room, then there is obviously something else that is affecting the smoke alarm. The most common cause of false alarms is dust and insects getting inside of the alarm. If your alarm's been installed for a few years and then suddenly starts playing up, then insects and dust is likely going to be your main suspect. Fortunately, with care and maintenance, dust and insects can be the easiest to resolve and prevent. Now, you should be doing this at least once a year. Start by removing the alarm from the ceiling and giving it a firm tap around the alarm's entire circumference. This will help loosen up any dust or insects that have built up inside of the alarm. Next, you want to give the alarm a good vacuum around the entire circumference. Make sure that you aim for the edges of the alarm where you'll see a gap between the plastic of the alarm, and that's where smoke and dust would usually enter inside of the alarm. If you do have access to an air compressor, blowing compressed air through the sides of the alarm can also be an effective way to clean it out. Just be mindful that this grill on the top of the smoke alarm is the smoke alarm speaker and not the sensor, so cleaning that won't achieve anything. We recommend cleaning your smoke alarms first when you experience a false alarm, as it is the most common cause of false alarms. Once you have cleaned the alarm, reinstall it back on the ceiling as soon as you can, and then see what happens next. Sometimes you might need to clean the alarms a few times before you will resolve the problem. If the problem does persist, try giving the alarm another clean. Otherwise, you might need to start looking into doing some troubleshooting, which we'll cover in another video. Alternatively, you can call PSA Products on 1300 772 776, and we can help you troubleshoot a PSA smoke alarm. We hope this video has been helpful, and if it has, let us know by giving the video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.